Alright guys, it's your man Jay Will. 4K 60 FPS LG G7. I'm not going to get into this Think or ThinQ or whatever it is. I'm just going to tell you that these cameras are banging. I think I found probably the best set of cameras in my catalog right now compared to the Galaxy Note, the U12 Plus, the U11, everything. This phone has fantastic video, man. 4K 60 FPS is off the charts. This is crazy. I mean, just look at this right here. That's crazy right there. That's crazy clear footage. And I mean, the audio is just ridiculous, man. They don't have any kind of stabilization at 4K or 60 FPS. Most of them don't, you know what I'm saying, the phones that I'm using, but I'll be sure to test it against the new iPhones. But as of right now, folks, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it like I see it. The cameras on this thing are a beast. Shout out to Juan Bagnell, man. He uses the LG joint, the G7, like crazy, and he loves it, man. And my Project 13, he was using it. He says he's gonna sell his, but this is a winner right here, man. This is a straight up winner. This thing is crazy. Now again, they don't claim to have any kind of stabilization at 4K, but I'm going to go ahead and stroll out to the end of the sidewalk here, and I'll tilt down. And again, this is just an extended look, man. This is crazy right here. This is just ridiculously good audio. There's not a lot of phones. I don't know if you guys remember, I used to use the an LG phone for my videos on my channel before the U11 and before I switched to a DSLR. But this quality right here is fantastic. So the only downside that I could see is I only get 6 minutes to record. Now this is at 4K at 60 FPS. That is one of the most accurate shots of that sign I've seen. But at 60 frames per second 4K, you only get 6 minutes. And that's a little bit of a bummer. Apple is still winning in that sense, but I gotta call it like I see it, man. This video and audio is ridiculous. This will be a direct upload because this is an extended look at LG's camera. One other thing I want to side note, the facial recognition on this phone is ridiculously quick. I mean, it's just stupid fast. It's crazy. Look how clear that is. Anyway, man, extended look at the LG G7 rear camera at 4K at 60 FPS. This is a win-win. And yes, you heard me right. I think this camera is definitely better than the Galaxy Note's camera, Note 9 at 60 FPS and 4K. This is ridiculous, man. This is just crazy.